What is up, guys? Back with another unboxing today. It's a freaking brick. Okay, I'm afraid I may know what this is. It's got the right weight for the thing that I think it is. But yeah, it's another thing from Vipertek. It's the VTS T01. It's actually a tactical flashlight which can zoom in and out. And there's the item itself. It's got a much bigger head than the last flashlight version of their stuff. It's got this cool little zoom in clicky thing. Usually there's a charge on it. Oh. Okay. Unlike the other one, on the bottom here, there's an actual on and off switch, so you can't accidentally tase yourself, which I've done many times. It's actually not a bad flashlight, considering it's, a weapon, pretty much. Oh, snap. Okay. And it actually has some different, it's got high, low, and strobe. Just really cool that it has some different features on it. Oh god. Okay, this one is supposedly 230 million volts. 230 million volts. I said that right. Okay. It comes with a sheath, and of course, they're very strange little mini micro cords. I don't know what they're called. I'm just gonna call them mini micro cord. Oh my god. I was dreading that this is what this was. And this thing looks like it's got some evilness to it. Okay, I guess without further ado, I'm gonna tase myself once again for the internets. Pretty sure this one's gonna suck, guys. And let me make sure I'm gonna. Okay. Oh crap! I'm like sweating because I'm nervous. Son of a biscuit. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. God. Wow. Oh, God. I guess you probably guys didn't hear that. I can smell it and feel it. Oh, it's giving me the two little white dots. Let me do it again, see if I can't get one popping. Oh, frig! Okay, that one sucked. Almost cursed. Trying to keep this somewhat family oriented. Yeah, wow, that one sucked. Alright, you can start seeing it popping up right there. Oh, man. Okay. So far, this one is the best. You guys see that little dots? Probably blowing it out right now. But yeah, hopefully you can see those strange little white dots. I'll put my freaking arm down now, because that sucked. Oh my god. But yeah, this is so far the tactical is the best one. Flashlight wise and stun gun wise, it's the best. And just features wise, it has an off switch. That way, even in my pocket, so I've done with the other one, I tased myself several times while it was just in my pocket by just pressing the button accidentally. If you enjoyed this, click that like button, share, subscribe, do all those fun YouTube things. Helps a lot, guys. It helps a lot. And you know, thanks for watching, guys. It really helps out, like I said. And peace out. Even though I keep reviewing weapons, peace out, guys. Okay, I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see this, but those are swollen, like little pockets of like water. What do you call it? Just blisters. That taser left little blisters on me, and one of the blisters has a little black burnt hole in it. So, just to let you know, that thing sucks and is awesome at the same time. And there you go. Just a little addition onto the video. First time ever, guys. That's why you always wait till after the credits. You see little stuff like that. They left literally blisters. It's full of water. So, chill out on it, guys. Don't tase yourselves. Don't try this at home.